Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're exposing why your AI coding agent is literally torching your token budget.
It's a messy reality. Direct mode takes your simple requests and spins them into a chaotic, expensive web.
Why did that easy feature take 3 days and burn more tokens than your last 5 projects combined?
Well, the culprit is simple. Most teams are relying entirely on direct mode in Claude Code.
The contrast is wild. Reverting bad code wastes 50,000 tokens, but editing a plan? Just 200.
In direct mode, agents misunderstand you, lose context, and never actually write down their reasoning. It's frustrating.
This causes context rot. It's an invisible ceiling where your AI's memory just degrades past 200,000 tokens.
Published data backs this up. Retrieval accuracy plummets from 93% down to 76 at 1 million tokens.
So, the fix? A massive paradigm shift called plan mode. It takes literally 2 keystrokes to start.
Claude Code's creator, Boris Cherny, uses a strict 3-step pattern: research, plan, and then implement.
Phase 1 is purely research. The agent gathers context and reads files, but writes absolutely zero code.
Next up, Phase 2. The agent drafts a solid plan into Markdown files for you to review.
Finally, Phase 3. You open a completely fresh window to cleanly execute those approved tasks.
This brilliant strategy compresses complex thinking into a portable artifact. It survives the session without blowing up context.
Crucially, fresh windows decouple the massive token cost of reading from the high cost of writing.
For a medium feature, direct mode costs more and wastes half your day on annoying reverts.
But switching to plan mode, it consistently runs up to 35% cheaper in raw token costs.
On complex features, costs can literally plummet from $40 all the way down to just $8. Ready to stop burning cash? Here's how to upgrade your engineering team's operations this very week.
Just enforce plan mode as default, commit those plans to your repo, and measure cost per feature. Because tokens per session is a vanity metric. Are you tracking the true cost of shipping your features?